Okay, I was trying to find a t-shirt to replace my Ralph Lauren t-shirt, and so I tried to buy a shirt at Walmart and I totally and completely hated it. And so Marshall's had this Ralph Lauren t-shirt and it's $24.99. Okay, it's 19 more dollars than $5, so I'll just return my $5 t-shirt that I hate and detest, and I'll let go of some of my money. Hate to do it, but I can't be totally and completely miserable. I bought two dirt cheap t-shirts, and I think that's good enough. Life is too short. I just want to put on a pair of jeans at times, not often, but once in a while, and look halfway decent. Look how nice this place is. I love it. If I come in here, I will buy stuff. I will buy shoes. I will buy purses. I won't buy jewelry, generally. Not saying never though. Okay, you guys.